Well, hi everybody. Good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as getting towards another weekend, another September weekend. We are going to see something we didn't see much of over the last 5 weeks, and that's above average conditions. Most of August and early September was near or below average, and that's going to change now as we go through at least the next 7, maybe up to 10 days, as temperatures will be mostly above average, and rain chances continue to be hard to come by. It's been pretty dry over the last couple of weeks out there. Let's take you through a forecast for today. Going to see mainly sunny skies out there today as temperatures quickly warm up. It's a slightly warmer start to our morning and mostly in the 50s. We're going to be well into the 80s later on today in most spots. Some increasing clouds overnight, especially later in the night. We'll be looking at chances of rain also after midnight, mainly for the western half of the state. And then the rest of the area has a slight chance of rain tomorrow. I'm not expecting much rain, but again, a few hit or miss showers, maybe even a couple of claps of thunder. But consider yourself lucky if you actually get some decent rains, because most of us will not. Some of that could even last into Saturday night. I know this model doesn't have a whole lot out there, but that may actually be our best chance Saturday night. And then by Sunday morning, most of us starting to clear out those chances of rain. And skies will clear up a little bit more, so we may actually see more sunshine Sunday and allowing for a slightly warmer day Sunday compared to Saturday. And speaking of warmer, we will be quite warm today, at least for this time of the year. Mid-80s up towards the north. Out west, that's where the warmest temperatures will be. Upper 80s to lower 90s. Mainly sunny skies, 5 to 15 mile per hour winds. In the south, mid to upper 80s, possibly near 90 there in Phillipsburg. And off towards the east, temperatures will mostly be in the mid to upper 80s. And again, our average high this time of year is about 80, 81 degrees, so we'll all be above that later on today. And we'll be above that most of the next 7 days. Again, a little cooler tomorrow with the extra clouds around, that small chance of rain tomorrow night. And then as we get towards Sunday, those chances dwindle down during the day. Temperatures back in the mid-80s on Sunday. It will be breezier over the weekend. We're going to be looking at 10 to 20 mile per hour winds, wind gusts up around 25 miles per hour at their peak. So a little more noticeable wind over the weekend. The winds do lighten up next week, and things turn very quiet. Monday being 9/11, Patriots Day there, and then Tuesday through Thursday, Husker Harvest Days there west of Grand Island near Elda. Looks like it will be on the warm side, mid and upper 80s. Usually we see all kinds of weather. It seems like one day will be hot, the next day windy, and the next day after that's cold and rainy. We usually get all kinds of weather. Well, it's going to be pretty consistent all 3 days. Lots of sun, temperatures mid to upper 80s. So, might want to find some shade from time to time, have plenty of water while you're out there, but otherwise no problems expected out at Husker Harvest Days. And speaking of Husker, things going on, we have a game going on tomorrow out in Eugene, Oregon as the Ducks host the Huskers. That's a 3:30 Central Time kickoff, 1:30 Pacific Time. And the weather looks fine. We'll watch for that smoke, as it was very smoky, of course, earlier this week. There's still some smoke in the forecast today with the fires that have been going on in the Pacific Northwest. Temperature-wise, for those before the game, it'll be warming up through the 60s into the lower 70s, mid-70s by kickoff and mid-70s at the end of the game. I don't see too many problems when it comes to weather there for the Husker game there in Eugene, Oregon. Hopefully, big Husker contingency. They're expecting up around 15,000 Husker fans for that game, so hopefully that'll help things out just a bit when it comes to the crowd noise there at Autzen Stadium. So there you go. There is your forecast as we head into another September weekend ahead of us. Until next time on Monday, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have an enjoyable weekend, and God bless.